Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends, we are so happy to see you again.
Today we have a really useful lesson for you.
Yes, today's topic is how to talk about yourself in English.
This is a very important topic. Why? Because in real life, people ask you this all the time.
That's true. At school, at work, at a party, people always say, "Tell me about yourself."
And sometimes we don't know what to say. Our brain goes blank.
Yes, I remember my first time speaking English. Someone asked me, "Tell me about yourself." And I just said, "I am, good."
That's so funny. But don't worry. Today, that will never happen to you again.
After this video, you will speak about yourself easily and clearly.
So relax. Get comfortable. Maybe you are cooking. Maybe you are driving. Or maybe you are just relaxing on your sofa.
Wherever you are, just listen slowly with us. We will speak clearly and simply.
Before we start, please do one small thing for us.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button.
And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us make more videos for you.
Okay, are you ready, Alice?
I am ready, David. Let's start.
Okay, Alice, let's start with the most simple thing. Saying your name.
Okay, this is easy, right?
Yes, very easy. Let's practice. Alice, please introduce yourself.
Okay, hello, my name is Alice.
Very good. Let's say it again, slowly. My name is Alice.
My name is Alice.
Now, listeners, please say your name too. Say it with us. My name is...
Say your name now. Pause the video if you want.
There is another way to say this too. You can say, I am Alice.
Yes, my name is Alice and I am Alice mean the same thing.
That's right. Both are correct. Both are simple.
Let's repeat one more time, slowly. My name is... I am...
Good job. Now you know 2 ways to say your name.
See? English is not so scary.
Not scary at all, my friend.
Okay, David, next question. People often ask, where are you from?
Yes, this is a very common question. Let's practice it.
David, where are you from?
I am from, let's imagine, Canada. I am from Canada.
Nice. Let's repeat that sentence. I am from Canada.
Now you, listener, think about your country. Say, I am from, and then say your country.
For example, I am from Vietnam. I am from Brazil. I am from Turkey.
Very good. You can also say your city, like, I am from Tokyo, or I am from Mexico City.
That's right. Country or city, both are okay.
Let's do a fun example. Alice, pretend you are from Japan. What do you say?
Okay, I am from Japan. I am from Tokyo.
Perfect. See, listeners? It's easy when we practice slowly.
Yes, and don't worry if you make small mistakes. Even I still make mistakes sometimes.
Yes. Last week, Alice said, I am from, my house.
Stop it, David. That was one time. Haha.
It's okay. Mistakes help us learn. Don't be shy.
That's very true. The important thing is, just speak. Don't be afraid.
Okay, next topic. People often ask, what do you do?
This means, what is your job? Or, what do you study?
Yes, let's practice some simple answers.
If you have a job, you can say, I am a teacher, or I am a nurse, or I am an engineer.
Good examples. Let's repeat slowly. I am a teacher. I am a nurse.
Notice something? we use a or an before the job.
Yes, good point. A teacher, an engineer, a doctor, an artist.
If the job starts with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, we use an.
Right. An engineer, an actor, but a teacher, a doctor.
Let's practice together. Say after us. I am a teacher. I am an engineer.
Very good. Now, what if you are a student?
Then you can say, I am a student. Simple, right?
Yes. Or you can say, I study business, or I study English.
Let's repeat. I study English. Everyone, say it with us.
Great job! Now, Alice, let's imagine. What is your job?
Okay, let's imagine I am a chef. I say, I am a chef. I cook food every day.
Yummy! I like that job.
Me too. Cooking is fun. What about you, David?
Let's imagine I am a driver. I say, I am a driver. I drive a taxi.
Nice job. Very useful job, too.
Yes. Now it's your turn, listener. Think about your real job or study and say it out loud. I am a, or I study.
Don't be shy. Say it loud and clear. Okay, next fun topic. Hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
Yes, this is a very fun topic. Everyone loves talking about hobbies.
Let's learn the simple sentence pattern. I like plus an activity.
For example, I like reading. I like cooking. I like swimming.
Let's repeat slowly. I like reading. I like cooking.
Notice something? After like, we often add ing to the verb.
Yes, read becomes reading. Cook becomes cooking. Swim becomes swimming.
Good point, Alice. Let's practice more examples. I like dancing. I like singing.
Let's do a fun game. David, what do you like to do?
I like playing football, and I like watching movies.
Nice! I like playing the guitar, and I like drinking coffee. Every day.
Coffee is life, right?
Yes, coffee is very important.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Think about your hobby. Say, I like, and then your hobby.
For example, I like painting. I like traveling. I like listening to music.
Very good. Let's also learn another sentence. My hobby is...
For example, my hobby is cooking. My hobby is playing basketball.
Let's repeat together. My hobby is... Say it slowly.
Great job, everyone. You are doing so well.
Okay, Alice, let's talk about family now. This is also a common topic.
Yes, people often ask, do you have a big family? Or, tell me about your family.
Let's learn simple sentences. I have a small family. Or, I have a big family.
And you can add more details. I have 2 brothers. I have 1 sister.
Let's repeat slowly. I have 2 brothers. I have 1 sister.
David, tell us about your family, just for practice.
Okay, let's imagine. I have a small family. I have 1 sister. My parents live in Canada.
Nice! Very clear. Let's do mine too. I have a big family. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Wow, that's a really big family, Alice.
Yes, we are very noisy at home.
That's so fun. Family time is always special.
Yes, it is. Okay, listeners, now you try. Think about your family and say, I have.
Take your time. There's no rush. Just speak slowly and clearly, like us.
Okay, next topic. Talking about how you feel.
Yes, this is very useful too. When someone asks, "How are you?" you need an answer.
Let's learn some simple answers. I am happy. I am tired. I am excited.
Let's repeat slowly. I am happy. I am tired.
David, how do you feel today?
Today, I am very happy because we are making this video with you.
Aw, that's so sweet. I am happy too.
What about our listeners? How do you feel today?
Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel excited. Maybe you feel a little sleepy.
That's okay. You can say, I am a little tired, or I am a little sleepy.
Yes, a little is a very useful phrase. Let's repeat. A little tired. A little sleepy.
Great. Now say a full sentence about your feeling right now.
For example, I am a little hungry. Me too, actually.
Me too. Let's finish this lesson quickly so we can eat. Okay, Alice, now let's put everything together. A full, simple self-introduction.
Yes, let's do a full example, slowly, so everyone can follow.
Okay, listen carefully. Hello, my name is David. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like playing football. I have a small family.
Very good, David. Very clear and simple.
Thank you. Now, Alice, please do yours too.
Okay. Hello, my name is Alice. I am from Japan. I am a chef. I like cooking and drinking coffee. I have a big family.
Excellent, Alice. See, listeners, it's not difficult at all.
No, it's not. You just need 5 or 6 simple sentences.
Let's list them again, slowly, one more time.
Number 1. My name is.
Number 2. I am from.
Number 3. I am a. Your job, or I study.
Number 4. I like. Your hobby.
Number 5. I have. Your family.
That's it. 5 simple sentences, and you can talk about yourself.
Amazing, right? Let's repeat all 5 together one more time, nice and slow.
My name is. I am from. I am a. I like. I have.
Perfect. Now you have a simple, easy formula for your English introduction.
Okay, now it's practice time. Let's ask you some questions. Please answer out loud.
Don't worry, no one is watching you. Just you and your English practice.
Question number 1. What is your name?
Good. Now say it in a full sentence. My name is.
Question number 2. Where are you from?
Great. Say it slowly. I am from.
Question number 3. What is your job, or what do you study?
Nice job. I am a. Or I study.
Question number 4. What do you like to do in your free time?
Wonderful. I like.
Question number 5. Tell us about your family.
Amazing. I have.
Wow, listeners, you just did a full self-introduction in English.
I am so proud of you. Really, great job.
Practice this every day, even just 2 minutes. Speak in front of a mirror or record yourself.
Yes, the more you practice, the more natural it feels.
Before we finish, let's give a few small tips.
Yes. Tip number 1, speak slowly. It's okay to be slow. Slow and clear is better than fast and confusing.
That's very true. Even native speakers sometimes speak slowly when they think.
Tip number 2, smile when you talk. It makes you feel more relaxed.
Yes, smiling really helps. Try it now. Smile and say, "My name is..."
Did you smile? I hope so.
Tip number 3. Don't worry about small mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even us.
Yes, remember my story? I am from my house. Still funny.
Yes, mistakes are normal. Just keep talking and you will improve.
Tip number 4, practice with a friend or practice alone. Both are good.
Yes, and you can even practice with us. Just pause the video and answer our questions.
That's a great idea. We are like your English-speaking friends.
Okay, everyone, that's our lesson for today.
Today we learned how to talk about yourself in English. Name, country, job, hobby, and family.
Remember, practice a little every day. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yes, and don't forget, mistakes are okay. Just keep speaking.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
Now, before you go, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite hobby?
Write it in English, even one simple sentence. I like...
We will read your comments and cheer for you.
Thank you so much for watching, friends.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.